Hey everyone, this is Food by Faith Garden to Table and welcome to my kitchen. Welcome to my kitchen. So I am doing a quick up potting video. What I have here is my Hawaiian chili peppers. I have two of them. I got this one from out of my Arrow Garden over there. And then of course I have this one that is in this Arrow Garden here. And they are ready to be up potted and placed into another area. So these are the pots that I'm going to place them in. There is nothing special that I'm doing. Only thing I would suggest is that you make sure that you have indoor potting soil. And the reason why I say that is because I am in zone 8A, Georgia. Can I bring you in a bit closer? I am in zone 8A, Georgia, and we are at the point right now where we will not be having our first frost not my first frost. We will not be having our last frost until later in the season. So these actually will need to stay on my kitchen counter. I have some other peppers that I started in my lead pot system, and I'll show you those. They are doing pretty well. Now, when you take these out of your Arrow Garden, you just want to be kind of as gently as possible, as gentle as possible. Y'all, I cannot speak today. So you're going to be as gentle as possible. And all I'm doing is trying to keep as many of the roots as I possibly can. Trying not to tear everything up. And we're going to do the same thing with the other. Trying not to tear the roots. Now you may very well tear some, but just try to be as gentle as possible. And there we go. And we are just going to place these in our pots. I have the soil pre-moistened. And it's just as simple as this when you are up potting from your Arrow Gardens or your lead pot systems. It is just this simple. I would say not to allow your plants to get huge before you decide to up pot them, because when that happens, then you end up destroying more of the roots than you would like to. So this one I'll probably add a bit more soil. But it is as simple as that, guys. I did lose a few leaves, but as you can see, these were not good. I'm going to take you over so that you can see my other lead pot system. And you can check out, these are the peppers that we started together. Everything is doing very well. I have about 4 of them that have not popped through as of yet, but as soon as I see green, I always then take the lids off. Everything else that growing inside is doing pretty well. This is my lemon balm here, and then of course my lettuce. The ones that turn out like this, I just take them off and feed them to the chickens. But guys, it's just as simple as that when you are up potting from your Arrow Garden. Now, what I will tell you is when you have something that has been in your Arrow Garden as long as this lettuce has. So this lettuce has been in my Arrow Garden for 69 days. This is going to make a bit of a mess, but I still need you to see it. This is what the root system looks like. You see that? So if I was to try to up pot this lettuce out of here, at this stage, all I would do is make a mess, and it probably wouldn't survive. So I also have, looks like some agastache over here. I'm going to move it over here to get more sun. And then eventually I will up pot this lemon balm and place it in one of these pots as well. And that will probably be really soon because I do not want the roots to get any more established than they are now. And again, you saw what the roots of this romaine lettuce look like. At that point, again, I would not up pot and place it into anything else. You can, and it may bounce back, but in times past, when I've done things like that, it just did not recover because you are destroying a lot of the roots. But that is all for now, guys. Remember, as always, get up, get out, and grow something, and have faith in our food. And we'll see you the next time. Happy indoor gardening.